I like to have the most edge I can. Number one son on Fireball pointed in Idaho.
He said, yeah, 410. Hey, Fireball. Tell number one son I'm going in the house to get me a cup of mud, man, and, he got about that much talk time left. Your doctor in the corner got down.
Hey, number one son. Man, I got some good news and some bad news for you, man. The good news is I got appointed into Idaho. The bad news is you down and cut your radio off, man. And he said you got about enough talk time from him and going to get coffee, man. Hey, number one son. Now this is what I wanted to kind of think and get on, man. I ain't got no video game rolling or no runner game rolling, but I don't care. I want to see you whoop on that cotton picker, man. I want to see you whoop on Dodge. Fireball's gone. Full down that. Hey, great big moth in the west side. Happy birthday. Great big moth. Happy
I lied. I ain't going to get me no coffee, Fireball. I'm going to get me some number one son. Hey, Fireball. I'll let that happen. I just won't key anymore, and you can get your wish if you want to see him whip on me. I'll just bow down, man. And you can continue to roll the cow, pick a fives, and let him think I'm still out here at 410.
Yeah, no doubt, man. We'll definitely be there. Looking forward to get that pom-poms up. No day he was there, man. He buried my needle, man, on my ground plane, and I just got to thinking. I thought, man, when the conditions come down here, man, oh, number one son's gonna whoop on Doc, man. Boy, yeah, it's gonna be great. Number one son's gonna whoop on Doc every time. I'll appoint myself. Will definitely be there. Okay, ball, real quick. Up there, I'm back in the bush. Hello, radio snatcher.
Hey, Fireball, I don't know if you off the mall or not. There are a whole bunch of stuff going on out there. Since you pointed your beam over there to number one son, which you might want to reconsider turning it back up north, because you won't be able to hear number one son anyway. And them guys down there in L.A. are having their way with you, man. They're treating you just like a little boy in the park. Just about time it got dark. Let me get on out of here, Fireball. Your doctor in the corner's back to reading the mail.
I heard you keep. I want to know if I can pick up pictures of your heart and baby. I want to know if I can take a picture of your heart and baby. When you bring it down here, doggone, I want to put Fireball on the hood. When you come down here, I want to put Fireball on the hood for a hood ornament. Trying to put some more shots in there. With number one son jumping in your business, Don. Those Fireballs reading this mail.
Well, that's real good. You let him think he's jumping up in my business, but Jackhammer's got you in the daggone park, and he about ready to pull that black hood over your daggone head. Hey, Fireball, that cat picker roadblock had your cat daggone conversation. When he got off the mall, I heard you saying about something about number one starting to dip in my daggone business. You got your beams pointed up there in Idaho, and Jackhammer's got his beams plugged up in my daggone ear hole. So let me get on out of here. I'll see you. Good day.
The Fireball sitting on the hood, doggone. And Harley Davidson, no doubt about it. I didn't want to bump it down the Fireball back to Turkey. He went up there to get his mobile police car. We wanted to knock the spirit out of this guy taking mobile road back up. That's Bernie Mac and you, no doubt. And that's about where I got it. I go a little bit to the right, more towards number one son, but it won't help. Fireball's gone.
Yeah, 410 Fireball. Jackhammer, you ought to be ashamed of yourself, man. Hey, I see the pretty one just pulled up in here. So I'm going to get on out of here and let the band roll on and go see what my wife is up to. I'm hoping Mitch will show up here in a minute or soon before it starts raining, man. I got a little bit of work for that cat pickup. Ain't no doubt about it. And he the only one that can do it right. Hey, y'all tell number one son I have a good day, man. I'm going to get on out of here. I'm going to lay down, ain't no doubt. Y'all take it easy, take care. Puss Gut, Possum Billy, Roadblock, and Worldwide Fireball. The two bosses of the South, your doctors in the clear.
Roadblock, 6, there's a Cali in the back of the ambush. Alright, right back at you, homie. And the back is gone. No team, alright, take care. Block.
Tell Mac I said happy birthday again. Bye.
Tell Roger on that there, number one, well, he got my radio, man, talking to, jackhammer, man. Hey, number one son, he's got my radio talking to jackhammer pretty bad, man. I heard you that one time, man, that's why I left him on a hammer while he was talking old Jack. But, man, he's got them all. Who was number one if it's James Gordon who's on stick to number two? I think he's disrespecting number one on that cat bigger than him. Throw down big shame. Roadblock being inquisitive, I'm gone.
Hey, Fireball, tell number one son to hold the fort. I'm going to be away from my post. Y'all tell Bernie Mac I said happy birthday, and I am going to step away from the radio. I'll pin it on y'all a little bit later. Your doctor in the corner, 7. I see you. Good day.
Alright, Doctor, you want me to tell old number one son you said hello, and you want me to tell Bernie Mac that you got my finger. That's all I got to do. Your thing. I see you. Oh, Fireball gone. Snatcher 245 in the waiting room. Snatcher 245 in the waiting room, standing by.
You can be standing a long time. You gonna try talking to that mud runner too. 245. You'll be waiting a long duck plucking time. I was gonna go 10-7, man, but I got all day to keep that bum under my thumb. I see ya.
I'm gone now. On this cat picking in into that back there. Up north, Fireball in this mobile. With this generator rolling, I'm gone.
Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's got the biggest maw of them all? Cause I'm your mirror right now. Hey, Doc. I'm your mirror right now, and you got a duck plugging maul. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the baddest of them all? Doc Adams got it all. Fireball's gone. Yeah, 410, Mirror. Hey, Mirror, I appreciate you letting me know I got the biggest maul of them all. Your doctor got down.
Hey, 249. You can be here when Doc I was off that mall. I can't get in the radio snatcher for see for nothing. From the worldwide 240. Also very happy Saturday coming up. 0245 down south. No, passing to you.
You want me to get out of here so you can talk to who you want to talk to there, 245? I'll lay down for you.
You want me to tell Doc Adams he take 2 more...
No, I want you standing down, Doc. They gotta wait till they get Mother Nature. Make another move and stand up in it, man. No need to stand down. Nothing important going on here. We just having fun on the bowl. You know how we roll. Go on with your bad self, Doc. Doc Adams got the biggest ball. Doc Adams got the biggest ball. 245 go.
Hey, Roger, now you said that if he can't call me in the morning, tell you in room 218 at the Holiday Inn. He wouldn't heat up that time, but when he does, I'm going to pass whatever he tells me to you there, 410.
That cow picker gonna be passing gas. He keep trying to roll no cow picker 5s on me about room 218. That cow picker's having a bad dream there. Somebody might want to wiggle number 1 up. I see you, Fireball. I'm gone.
Hey, number 1. Hey, number 1, that cow picker said that you were dreaming in room 218, man. Hey, number 1 son, that come me and Doc Adams, he down and cut your radio off, said that you were dreaming in room 218 at the Holiday Inn, and you need to go back and get a couple more beers. Old Fireball is gone.
Like that, one more time.
Yeah, I was gonna let him roll 1 more cow picking 5, but you tell him you ain't passing no more cow picking 5s for that cow picker, 'cause that boy be passing gas. I see ya.
Okay, he's still on the mall.
He full of hot air there, Fireball.
Now, I'm gonna forget if he don't get off the hammer.
Yeah, I know we sitting here having a conversation, but that's all right. He's getting dissected with these 200 birds. I see ya.
Yeah, Ronjo, now, me and Doc were talking, man. You said something about they were crazy on that end. Doc said that you were passing gas or something, man. See, I done already forgot, man. He told me don't pass no more 5s. He did tell me, he said don't be passing no more 5s on Doc, since you can't pass him while he's on the hammer. Hey, from now on, Doc told me that I must pass the 5 if you both on the hammer. Number 1, I was letting you know I can't pass no more. I'm gone.
See if I can get up to somebody's receiver with this little bitty cobra.
Well, you got that so cat picking messed up, Fireball, but it's okay. It's funny, man. We all love you, Fireball. I said the only thing that number 1 is able to pass today, because he won't be able to pass no 5s your way, is the only thing he's going to be able to pass today is gas. I see you. Good day.
Hey, Doc Adams. Hey, Doc, you got a sloppy copy on this thing? I think I hear number 1 son on there trying to get down in Fireball's neck of the woods, and I'm going to try and get up there and make a mess out of his radio and say hello to you, too. Radio station Motormouth Mall, Central Coast of California. Got down.
Yeah, I hear ya. And I know Fireball got to hear number 1 son while I was sitting here reading the mail. Hello, Motormouth Mall. I'm going to get on out of here in just a few seconds. I'm sitting here working this 1955 Jones, and sure am. All right, let me ease up out of the middle of the road. Fireball, you take care. Tell number 1 son it's been fun, but old Doc's got to run. I'll see y'all. Good day.
Hey, number 1 son. This time I got it right. Hey, number 1 son, Doc Adams said the only 5 you'll be able to pass today is gas. Hey, number 1 son. Tom Big and Doc Adams came down and said the only 5 is gas. That's the only thing you'll be passing is some gas, because you ain't going to pass those 5s. And then after, while you were talking, you said, are you happy that Doc's happy on keying on the quad on the